Yo, what's up everyone? Morgan here, and today, Five Nights at Freddy's 2. If you remember my last video, I cried like a little baby because of stupid mangle. Alright, let's go again. And I did watch over my video, mangle wasn't in my event. So, I'm really confused about that, if that's a glitch or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that was a glitch, either that or I wasn't paying attention. Sorry if I'm shouting, I just can't tell. It's been a bit of a rough day at school for me. Okay, that's quick. Oh, the sounds, I don't like them. Go away, Foxy. Hey, Foxy. Don't you know that you are awesome, but yet you're terrifying? Did any of you see that? Why is this going surprisingly well? That's freaky. Look near the edge. You can see the other head. That is creepy and freaky on so many levels. Right, I won't be doing as many videos now because my mom's friend has took the charge back. Because I think my mom's ordered a new charger for us. So there'll be no more videos for a while. Plus, it takes a while for these videos to upload. The Clash of Clans review, oh my god, that took 4 days to upload. No joke. It was because my iPad kept dying and I had to keep it on YouTube and I couldn't watch any videos. So if you, that's what YouTube has been about. You can only watch on iPad. You can only watch. You can't watch videos. Oh, I'm dead. Hello. Close my eyes. I'm alive. Oh! Get on my level, son. Get on my level. You're wondering why I don't do this is because one time I've done that, oh, and it got me killed. So that's why I'll leave it on for a while. Oh! Sorry if I'm a bit loud, but I like going, oh, whenever I do something spectacular. Even when like I get jump scares, I still do it quite fast. Except for my friend, which I will never ever talk about ever again. Because me and him had a fight, and we haven't talked to each other. We will never talk to each other ever again. This might be my last video for a while. And I might be able to get one posted on Christmas, but if I can't, then Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Welcome to the nightmare. If none of you have heard that song, just type in nightmare. F-N-E-R. It's really good. Welcome to the nightmare. I don't know the lyrics, that's all that I know. Welcome to the nightmare. Come on, turn it to 6! Turn it to 6, god damn it. Yes! Hallelujah! Ah! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yes. Finally. Yes. So, hope you enjoyed the video and see all you guys later.